He who can listen to the music in the midst of noise can achieve great things. Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai, often hailed as the father of the Indian space program, was a visionary scientist, an astute institution builder, and a remarkable human being whose contributions transcended scientific boundaries. Born on August 12, 1919, in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, into an affluent industrialist family, Sarabhai was destined to leave an indelible mark on India's scientific landscape. Vikram Sarabhai was the son of Ambalal Sarabhai, a prominent industrialist, and Sarala Devi, a social worker. Growing up in a progressive environment, he was exposed to the intellectual and cultural vibrancy of his family. Sarabhai's early education took place at the Gujarat College in Ahmedabad. Later, he went on to study at the University of Cambridge, where he earned his tripos in natural sciences in 1940. The outbreak of World War II interrupted his studies, prompting his return to India. Undeterred, he joined the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, in Bangalore, where he worked under the guidance of Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. This period was crucial in shaping his scientific outlook and aspirations. After the war, Sarabhai returned to Cambridge and completed his PhD in cosmic ray physics in 1947. His research laid the groundwork for his future endeavors in space science. Upon returning to India, he recognized the need for an indigenous space program. In 1962, he established the Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, in Ahmedabad, which became a cradle for space sciences in India. Sarabhai's vision for space research was revolutionary. He believed that space technology could be harnessed for the country's development, particularly in the fields of communication, meteorology, and education. His relentless efforts led to the establishment of the Indian National Committee for Space Research, in Kanpur, in 1962, which eventually evolved into the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, in 1969. Under Sarabhai's leadership, ISRO embarked on its maiden venture with the launch of the first Indian satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975. His vision was not limited to scientific achievements. He foresaw the practical applications of space technology in improving the quality of life for millions of Indians. His emphasis on using space technology for societal benefits set the tone for ISRO's future missions. Sarabhai's pioneering work earned him numerous accolades and recognition, both nationally and internationally. Some of his notable awards include Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, 1962, one of India's most prestigious awards in the field of science and technology, Padma Bhushan, 1966, awarded by the Government of India for his distinguished service in the fields of science and engineering, Padma Vibhushan, posthumously, 1972, India's second highest civilian award, bestowed in recognition of his exceptional and distinguished service to the nation. These awards reflect Sarabhai's immense contributions to science and his dedication to advancing India's technological capabilities. Beyond space research, Sarabhai was instrumental in establishing several key institutions that have had a lasting impact on Indian society. He played a pivotal role in setting up the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, in Ahmedabad, which has since become a premier business school in Asia. He also founded the Community Science Center, aimed at popularizing science education among children. Sarabhai's contributions extended to the realm of arts and culture as well. He was closely associated with the Darpana Academy of Performing Arts, founded by his wife, Mrinalini Sarabhai, an accomplished classical dancer. Together, they fostered a holistic approach to education and cultural enrichment. Vikram Sarabhai's personal life was as illustrious as his professional career. He married Mrinalini Sarabhai, and their partnership was a confluence of science and arts, blending intellectual pursuits with cultural refinement. They had 2 children, Kartikeya and Malika Sarabhai, both of whom have made significant contributions in their respective fields. Sarabhai's sudden demise on December 30, 1971, was a great loss to the nation. However, his legacy lives on through the institutions he established and the visionary path he charted for Indian science and technology. His life and work continue to inspire generations of scientists, entrepreneurs, and leaders in India and beyond. In essence, Vikram Sarabhai was not just a scientist but a true visionary who transformed India's scientific landscape. His foresight, dedication, and innovative spirit remain guiding lights in the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of society.